Secure 11. This is 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001, 18 Division Greece, 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001, QRZ.
14 Echo Delta 055, Jim.
14 Echo Delta 055. Good evening, my friend Michael. Nice to hear you on the radio. You are 5x9 plus 20 dB here in Athens. 055, this is 001.
Yeah, ask yourself, Jim. Thank you very much. Very good evening, sir. You are 30/9. Very, very strong. The stronger radio that I listen today. 30 dB/9. 73, Jim. Thank you very much. I am really happy to listen your voice today, and I hope that all is okay on your side. Back to you, 001 055.
055, this is 001 returning. Thank you very much, Mike. I'm very happy to hear you on the radio today. I am very lucky because today I came back at my home after my job earlier, and the propagation, as it seems, is open for me. Hi. Okay, Mike, I received also one letter from you a few days ago, and I will answer it 100% this week. So don't worry. You will receive my answer about maybe the next few days in your side, Mike. 14 Echo Delta 055, this is 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001 for the final, Mike. Back to you.
USA?
Yes, okay, 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001, 14 Echo Delta 055 is returning for the final with you. I'm not worried, Jim. I know that I always receive the QSL answer from you, okay? It's not a problem. You always answer in 100%, so congratulations for a very good job that you make on 11 meters. You are a very, very good QSL manager, Jim. No problem for that. 73 is my dear friend. Enjoy the radio. As usually, my camera is on, and soon you can watch this movie. 73 is good luck and good DX, Jim. 73 is also for the stations who say QSK. There is 14 Echo Delta 055, Mike, who will be QSY now. 73 is Jim, and good luck. Bye-bye.
QSL Michael 05501 returning. Thank you so much for your kind words about the Victor Oscar Golf DX group and our radio activities. Thank you so much for your kind words about my QSL management, Mike. Michael, I used to be very, very fast as a QSL manager when I manage anyone on the radio. Thank you so much. All the best, Michael. On this frequency, I think the QSK is our good friend Theo, 18 Victor Oscar Golf 049. Theo, go ahead.
Okay, QSL Jim, thank you very much. Calling for you is Mr. Mike from 26 Division. Okay, Mike 03011. Good afternoon, Michael. 14 Echo Delta 055, 18 Victor Oscar Golf 049. Theo, how are you, my friend?
Yes, okay, Theo, 049, 055 is returning. So you're 59, no, I've got a little QS Baker, Theo, so thank you very much to make the QSK. I'm very, very happy also to listen your voice too. So Theo, I'm very fine, thanks for that, and hope that it's fine also on your side and that all is okay. So it's a very, very good condition at this moment between your countries and mine. A very, very good propagation. Before I just listened a station from 173, 119 and 34 division. So I tell this frequency free for Victor Oscar Golf big team. And I wish you all the best. Don't worry, my camera is always on, okay? I don't switch off, so you could listen your voice also, Theo, on this record. 73 is for you, Theo. 73 is for Jim from 14 Echo Delta 055, Mike. Back to you, Theo. Bye-bye.
Okay, QSL Mike, thank you very much, my dear friend. Merci beaucoup, good night from Greece. Microphone back to you, Jim, 001. Pass the microphone to Mr. Mike, 26 Alpha Tango 030. Back to you, Jim.
Back to you, Jim.
Okay, 030 Mike, back to you.
Yeah, QSL Theo, I think maybe Jim go on QRT for a second. Just a quick hello, Theo, and best regards. Nice to copy you 20 and 40 dB. Very, very big signals today, Theo. The band is in very, very good shape. Hopefully all is well with the family, all is fine here, Theo. The weather is nice today. 22 degrees, 030. Back to you, Theo, if you copy, QSL.
QSL, thank you very much, Mike. 5x9 plus 10 dB. Very, very strong propagation at the moment. My side is Europe. Very, very strong, Mike. One moment, Mike. 1 moment, 030.
Yes.
Okay, Jim, back to you. One moment, guys, from England. 1 moment. USK station, 1 moment. 001, Jim, are you by?
Yes, you tell me.
Yes, go microphone back to you, Jim.
Okay, Theo. Thank you very much, Michael, for this nice contact. 1 for Echo Delta 055. This is 18 Victor Oscar Golf 001 Jim in company with 18 Victor Oscar Golf 049 Theo. Good night, Michael and GDX. Back to you for the final.
Yes, okay, Jim. 73 there is another mic from England also on the frequency, so it's very, very hard now. 73 for all stations on this frequency from 14 Echo Delta 055. Bye for now.
Bye, Michael. Thank you very much. 73. QRZ?
Jim, calling for you, 26 Alpha Tango 030.
Yeah, okay, Theo. Jim, a very, very good evening. Just a quick hello, Jim. 26 Alpha Tango 030. 26 Alpha Tango 030, Jim, and the operator name is Mike. You are 40 dB, Jim, a big signal. Any copy, go ahead?
Yes, QSL, Mike, GD6 Tango 030. Good evening, nice to hear you. You are 30 dB over 9 here in Athens. My antenna is beaming to United Kingdom. The radio reports are extremely strong at the moment in Greece. Back to you, Mike. 030 001 returning.